How to call absentee owners on PropStream. What's up, guys? Zach in here, and in today's video, I break down exactly how to cold call absentee owner and vacant property leads. Absentee owners are one of the best lists out there you can possibly get into cold calling, and it's amazing. You could cold call people who actually don't live in a property, and it's a property just sitting there vacant. Possibly it could be a rental property. For most of the time when it's a vacant property, it's just sitting there or the owner is not in the property. These are really great lists, and it's a really high probability that they could be looking to sell the property, especially for a deep discount for a wholesaling real estate deal. So before I get into it, guys, remember you need to smash the like button and subscribe to get the most free value from me. Let's get in the video. Let's see what we got here. So first person, we got Teresa. Teresa, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I am beyond blessed.
Awesome.
How can I help you out in wholesaling today?
Yeah, awesome. I've got a question for you. It has to do with lists. I pull them right now from the same place that you do on PropStream. So when you pull lists such as vacant or absentee owner, how often do you pull those lists? And then how often do you have your callers call on them? So for instance, if I have a absentee owner list, she calls through it. I have a VA. Do I have her call that once a month? Do I need to update that list? I'm having a hard time organizing my lists.
So I have a couple approaches when it comes to this. So there's not a right way to do it. Now, you got one guy on YouTube and one gal on Facebook. They'll say, you got to call a list every day. The same list every day. You got one person say, call it every month. Personally with you, I'm just tell you what I do. I'll call a list every 3 months. And the reason I do that is I hit them with another marketing channel for the other month. So an absentee owner list, I'm going to text them month one, then cold call them, and then give them a piece of mail. So month one, call, month two, text, month three, direct mail. So I'm hitting a list every month. Now, it's probably not practical to call an entire list every single month. I would probably start calling a vacant, high equity instead. But I think every 2 months, it would be pretty good for it. If you're only doing one marketing channel, I would start pumping in more type of leads. I would do government lists, water shutoffs, tax delinquency, tax liens, divorces, fire damage properties if you get it, those type of lists too, probates. I'd start pumping those in too. But right now, I would say how many leads is this?
How many leads?
Yeah.
Like on my list that I pull, it kind of varies because I do a lot of different counties. I'm in the DFW area in Texas, and we try to do the outlying areas. We like those areas to flip and other stuff like that. So like sometimes a county I'll have 600, and then some I'll have 280. So it kind of just depends on the county. Some are a little bit smaller because of the area. So I mean, when I pull those lists, can I use them for a year? How often should I update them?
Yeah, absentee owners should be good for about a year.
Okay.
High equity, I keep it for a year. And then after that, what I would recommend is you pull the list again, but you remove the duplicates out of it. So you're not calling 50,000 if the list is really 26. So I have an Excel list that I pull them all with, and then I'll put them on a master sheet, remove the duplicates on Excel. Should be on data, remove duplicates, or just look it up how to do it.
Okay.
And just make sure you do that right, and it'll save you a lot of money. Most
yeah,
important.
So do you do that after you've skip traced them? Then you put them on an Excel sheet and remove them at that point?
Yes. And for all my people out here that don't have the money for this, Google Sheets, same exact thing, just a little different. I prefer Excel, but hey, Google Sheets, I've done this before too. So whatever software you want to use, what is it? Just whatever like software you want to use for it, it'll all work. But yeah, you can remove the duplicates, make a master sheet, and I just add them in. So really, if I get a high equity list, honestly, of 100,000, and I pull the same 100,000 next year, really, you're going to get maybe 8,000 that are different. Honestly, a lot of these people just hold on to properties. They're just living in houses, and you're trying to call someone, life event happens, and hey, I got to sell. So that's what I've seen.
Awesome. Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Are you driving for dollars, or do you have a team driving for dollars in DFW right now?
We drive for dollars when we're out and about. We flip. We have like 11 flips going on right now. So we're kind of out and about. I work with my son and my nephew, and we drive for dollars all the time as we're out and about.
Okay, it's killing it out there in Dallas. Like it's
Really?
in the outskirts. There's
Yeah.
people doing very, very well out there. So
Okay.
that is the market I'd be drawing for dollars.
Okay. Ooh, that's good to know because we can
Well,
certainly do
everyone's
more of
calling.
that.
Like, unfortunately, everyone's calling those absentee owners. You got to
Yeah.
get the list that no one else is doing.
Yeah, we're working on water shutoffs now.
Ooh, tough one.
Keep pushing these government lists, and so that's what we're working on now.
And they're going to tell you no, and you got to keep pushing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Okay, cool. Awesome.
awesome.
Appreciate it. Love everything you're doing, Zach. It's awesome. So
Awesome. Thanks, Teresa. I appreciate it.
appreciate
Any
you.
other questions you got?
Nope, I'm good.
All right, thanks. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.